Okay, we're doing a quick video out here. Hopefully I'm without the headphones, so maybe this will come in a little clearer. I hope so, but we don't know at the moment. But anyway, I'm getting my finger into the picture. This is a Saw Palmetto, and once a year or so I go through and cut off the long stems. There's twofold purpose. I like to make it look clean, and then I see over the course of the next few months which section I want to cut off. And most likely since this is going through. And this corner is quasi chew from imposing on over property because it will really get huge because these things grow wild in the Florida landscape. But it's mostly to protect Marty from his eyes because see these little babies here, as you're cutting them, thank God I wear glasses, otherwise I'd have so many of these things sticking in the back of my eyes by now it'd be over. What I do is I take them and I'll cut them. I'm using two little dice. I'm in the process of getting another cutter. Hopefully I've stimulated to buy one. Anyway, this is a Saw Palmetto, and what I do is I take the cuts and break it into two pieces. The actual stem itself, there's a bunch of them on the ground there. I use them for training. I move little plants that have a little wind protection to stiffen them up and hold them up against the wind. And the top piece goes out in the garbage. So right now we're in the process of just cleaning up this one little bush over here, do a little bit at a time through this bag and get in there. And then I like to just remove the weeds, clean it up, bring the mulch down, clean it up and make it look cool. And here's another one. That's I forget the name of that palm, but I mowed this palm over here about a month ago, so I have to put the big one in there because I forget what was in there. It was small, but whatever it was is history now. Anyway, that's going in there and it'll be company for this one. Thank you for stopping by. Enjoy the video, like the video. You could use a few followers. Thank you. Bye-bye.